Be honest, how many alarms did you ignore this morning? 1, 2 or 5? You promised yourself last night, tomorrow I will wake up early. But when the alarm rings, your hand hits snooze automatically. Why does this happen? Is it laziness? No, it's your brain. Well, hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Khalid Zaman and you are watching Brothers English. In today's video, I'm going to discuss why alarms fail. And the solution for this. So without any further ado, let's jump into the main video. When you are sleeping, your brain is not fully awake. The part of the brain that makes decision is still sleep mode. It only says one thing: sleep is more important right now. That's why you can turn off an alarm and not even remember doing it. The snooze button feels friendly, but it's actually your enemy. When you press snooze, your brain goes back to sleep, but not deep sleep. It enters confused sleep. This makes you feel more tired, more lazy, more confused. So every time you press snooze, waking up becomes harder, not easier. Your brain hits sudden change. Sleeping, waking up is a big shock for the brain. If you sleep late, use your phone at night, overthink before bed, your brain protects sleep in the morning. So when the alarm rings, your brain fights it. Well, now I'm gonna share 3 very easy and useful tricks that anyone can use to avoid this. Put your alarm far away from your bed, so you must stand up and stop it. Trick number 2. Use a gentle alarm sound, not a scary one. Sudden loud sounds make the brain angry. And the last one, before sleeping, say out loud, "I will wake up when the alarm rings." This programs your brain. So next time your alarm fails, don't blame yourself. You're not lazy. Your brain is just protecting sleep. Now tell me, how many alarms do you set every morning? Comment the number and follow for more simple brain secrets. Assalamu alaikum. See you in the next video.